You can stop hiccups in seconds by drinking water upside down. Seriously, it's not just a party trick. Most people chug water or hold their breath, but if you flip the script and drink from the opposite side of the glass, you're actually forcing your diaphragm to reset. Here's how it works. Hiccups are spasms in your diaphragm, and drinking upside down makes you engage those muscles in a totally weird way. It distracts your brain from the spasm and interrupts the hiccup cycle. To do it, fill a glass with water, bend over at the waist, and drink from the far edge of the glass. You'll feel your diaphragm stretch and your hiccups will vanish almost instantly. Doctors aren't entirely sure why this works so well, but people who try it almost always see results when nothing else does. If you've ever been stuck with annoying hiccups in public, this trick is a total game changer.